So it is day 10 and we have kilometers to make. We are going through a native reserve today. That means we have about 80 kilometers, which we have to make, otherwise we'll sleep on the ground. Let's go. So we are a couple of hours out, about, let me see, 37 kilometers, so we should be out of the unpopulated area soon. We've been biking for 2 hours, it's 11:45. It's still sunny, but not for long. There. So, it's really sunny up here. Up there, why can't we be going there? Instead, we are going into that. Well, I'm a little bit before the others, so I'm taking a pause. Whew. It's a nice day though, and most of our stuff is dry, which is always appreciated on a bike trip. Seems like we didn't have to enter the stormy zone after all. It's still good weather. Also, my water is nearly empty, so that means either I'll stay and wait for the others, or give me a second. It's very loud here. Yeah, that means either I'll stay and wait for the others and hope that they have some more water, or that I continue and hope that I'll find something. It's 2:30 and we've gone 62.5 kilometers today, so we should be there soon. Also, I just saw some Schliebener back there at the shield. Better not have been a cougar, otherwise I'm turning back, man. I'm not risking that. Well, yes I am, but I really hope that wasn't a cougar. Probably just an elk or something. Okay, so there was no campground in whatever it was, I don't know. They all have funny names here. So we continued for another 30 kilometers. We're like 5 kilometers away now. Finally a bigger city and hopefully a campground. And yeah, we're past 100 kilometers now, so we're at 105 or something. Let's go. Okay, so a well-deserved shower, and a couple of minutes later we found a campground, and damn, what a day. Sorry for the lack of B-roll, but we just made kilometer after kilometer today, so I didn't really have the time to shoot some B-roll. We made 110 kilometers today in just under 6 hours of active pedaling. Yeah. That means we're way further ahead than we thought we'd be today, but that also means we're tired as hell. So we're gonna get food, we're gonna probably go to sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow, where we're hopefully don't go as far and stretch our limits that much. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.